In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your brand or your business DNA in Pomelli. So if you currently, let's say, add some kind of designs in Pomelli and you know want to go ahead and try something else, right? Not to use the same business design or business data that you have, because as you know, the business DNA is going to pull pictures, it's going to pull logos, it's going to pull colors and all these things. And you can always continue with designing new things with the same color, look and feel with that DNA that you have added into the Pomelli. But let's say you want to try something new. To reset this, just simply look towards the lower right hand side on the design and you will find reset business DNA. Or if you click the three dots on the upper right hand side, you also have the option to reset the business DNA. So click on that and click on delete all, and it's going to remove every single thing within it. And you can start fresh by basically, adding new things. You don't have to add manually. As I said, you can do that if you want to by adding pictures, logos, and all these things manually. But by right, if you want to have it pull all the information from the website, you can always click on the option where it says let's go, and from the main, and you can just simple enter a new website. And by adding in the new website, you can just start generating your own brand new business DNA in Pomelli. So yeah, just go ahead and enter the new email address and it's going to generate the business DNA, campaigns, and other amazing creatives that you can use for your business in Pomelli. So that's how you reset your business DNA in Pomelli.